Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is postulates from your chapter Euclid's geometry. So we will discuss here what is postulate, its definition, and the 5 postulates which are given in your chapter Euclid's geometry. So let's understand what is postulate. So postulate is a statement which is accepted by everyone, but it has a only limited scope. It is only limited to geometry only. So it is only applicable, it is only valid in the geometry. Okay, so postulate is only valid in the geometry, and the axioms that we discussed is valid everywhere, okay, in every branch. So only the postulates is limited, its access is limited in the geometry only. So it is accepted by everyone. It is accepted by everyone without proof, but specific to geometry. Specific to geometry only. Okay, so it is specific to geometry only. It is only specific to geometry here. Okay. So this is the definition of postulates. So in this chapter there are 5 postulates given. So we will discuss this one by one. So what is our first postulate? First postulate. So these are the statements which are accepted everywhere by everyone without any proof, but only in geometry case. Okay, it is only in geometry, it is applicable in geometry only. So first is your a straight line may be drawn from any 2 points. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. So Euclid assumed that this is a unique line joining 2 distinct points. Okay, so see what this statement means. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. So let us take one point here, one point here. Euclid assumed that there is a unique line only joining. So there is a only unique line. This is your only one line, only one and only one, which will join this point to this point only. Okay, there is no other line which can be drawn between these 2 points. So this is your first postulate. Second, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely in present day term. We say that a line segment can be extended on either side to form a line. That means, see, a terminated line can be produced. See, if this is your point, okay, a terminated, this is, and here a terminated line can be produced indefinitely in present day term. We say that a line segment can be extended on either side to form a line. So if I can draw a dotted line, extended this line again, now I can draw a line here also. Okay, so it can be extended on either side of this line. If there is a 2 point, I can extend this here also and this here also. Okay, clear? Then simple, these statements are very simple. A circle can be drawn with any center. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. So any radius circle can be drawn with any center. Okay, so you can draw a circle like this. Also, you can draw a circle like this. So it should require a center and some radius. Okay. Then next, fourth, all right angles are equal to one another. That means all the right angles are equal to one another. Let us say this is your right angle. This is also a right angle. So in any direction, if I draw a right angle, they all are equal. So this statement is saying like that. Now your fifth postulate is very important. Okay, so if a straight line falling on two straight lines, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of transversal taken together less than, I will say, two right angles, then the two straight lines if produced indefinitely. See, if a straight line falling on two straight lines making the interior angles on the same side of a transversal taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, then the two straight lines if produced indefinitely meet on that side on which the sum of the angle is less than the right angle, on which sum of angles are less than right angle, that is 90 degree. See, it's simple. This is very simple. The statement is quite lengthy. So it says that if a straight line falling on a two straight lines. Okay, so if I say this is one straight line, this is another straight line. If a straight line falling on this two straight line, this line L, this is L, this is M. If I say this N line is falling on this two straight line, now the makes the interior angles. So here will be some interior angles. The interior angles on the same side of the transversal taken together less than 90 degree. Okay, less than the 90 degree one. So here if I say there are two interior angles, but we have to take the less than 90 degree. If I say there is this and this is 50, this is 110, so less than 90 are on this side. Okay, so if we produce indefinitely, so if I produce this line, if I extend these two lines, okay, on this sides only, on this side, here if I extend them, they will not meet. So there, this postulate is clearly mentioning that you have to take the angle which are less than 90 degree on that side, you extend that line, okay, so they will meet. Okay, they will meet at some point. This is your meeting point. So this is your postulate number 5. So this is called your transversal. This is called your transversal. So here it is not possible. So see, if you try to extend this you will not get any meeting point. But on the meeting point you will get only on the side which has angle value less than 90 degree. Okay. So this is your fifth postulate. Okay. So I hope you are clear with all these 5 postulates. So revise it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.